Well, hello, fellow developers. I would like to share with you my little pet project. I started it a couple of months ago when I got hold of this incredible Bosch BMP280 pressure and temperature sensor. It is used in various embedded and mobile devices, and I was trying to figure out what would I like to do with it, and I decided to make a portable weather station using the Zambretti algorithm. It is a formula developed a couple of hundreds of years ago. It allows to calculate probability of a rain by monitoring changes in atmospheric pressure and temperature. And that's what I did. I hooked up this sensor to Raspberry Pi 02W microcomputer. I installed Linux operating system on it, and I used a driver for the sensor provided by the manufacturer. And since the driver was written in Python language, I decided to make a service for my sensor also in Python language. I used Flask framework for it, and I also have a diagram of my project. So this polling service actually polls the sensor once an hour, and the data is transferred to the backend, which is deployed on Google Cloud, and the data are stored in the database. And I implemented it using NodeJS, and I used MongoDB for that. And the front end I made using ReactJS, and they all communicate between them using REST interfaces, CRUD. And this is the result, actually. Charts presenting 24 hours of data, and the forecast by Zambretti, and it predicts the possibility of rain in my living room. And then I decided to make another version of my backend API, and there is another chart for that, using Java Spring Boot, and I also used PostgreSQL for that, and it is presented on Swagger UI, like that. Okay, and this is the project that I wanted to share with you guys. There are links to the page and to GitHub repos attached to this video. And for the conclusion, I would like to say what was the purpose of making this project. And actually what I wanted to do is to demonstrate my skills, that I know to work a little bit with hardware, with drivers and backend and front end, all the languages that I used, mostly JavaScript, but also Python and Java Spring Boot, and different libraries and frameworks that I use, like Node.js and ReactJS and Flask, and also different databases, SQL and NoSQL. And my aspiration is to use all those versatile skills in real life and not just for the pet projects. So thank you for watching.